Today's cocktail is called the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club. It's a rum-based drink that has a bunch of fruity tropical flavors. It's rum, orange curacao, fresh lime juice, and falernum. And falernum is a great spicy syrup. It's made with ginger and allspice and clove and lime zest and star anise and nutmeg. So even though it's sort of associated with tropical drinks that you would think of in the summer, it actually goes great in the winter because a bunch of those flavors are also the flavors that go in sort of baking spices and things like that. So I'm going to start with 3/4 of an ounce of falernum. Then 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. And 3/4 of an ounce of curacao. This curacao is it's a little stronger and a lot drier than triple sec would be. So for an orange liqueur, this gives a little less sweet flavor. And finally, 2 ounces of rum, and it should be a dark vanilla heavy aged rum if you're gonna do aged rum. And Zaya hits all those notes. Okay, I'm going to shake that with ice. And then strain it into a glass. And there we have the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club.